The Woodpeckers machine shop is hard at work on the rip-flip fence stop system. So let's take an inside look at how it's made. Starting with the dado flip base, which is turned out of aluminum at one of our state-of-the-art CNC lathes. This video clip is sped up 500%, as the whole operation takes about 2 minutes. Next, the micro-adjust knobs are turned out of brass at another CNC lathe. The micro-adjust screw shaft is turned out of brass as well. Along with the stop flag tapered nut. The stop flag isn't turned like other parts. It's milled out of aluminum at a CNC milling machine on the other side of the shop. Those freshly milled parts are then inspected by the machine operator to ensure accuracy. After the aluminum channel is anodized with the signature Woodpeckers red, the parts are laser engraved with the Rip Flip logo. The Woodpeckers shop is working around the clock on the Rip Flip, so if you place an order, look for it to ship soon. And stay tuned for more production updates to see what's going on in the shop.